Hey YouTube, this is JC Shazam123 and I'm going to show you another tip about iPod or iPhone. Okay, here's my iPod Touch again. You could look at my iPod Touch for now. Okay, my iPod has like 8 gigabytes. Okay, if you want your iPod Touch to like stay protected, I don't care, stay protected, you also need to buy a case. Go to apple.com, and go to iPod. There's a iPod thingy on the top. Go to iPod and click accessories on the bottom, and you can see there's many cases for your iPod Touch. I got mine, my uncle gave it to me. Okay, my iPod Touch, for my iPod Touch. Okay, actually, if you're guessing if there's an iPod 3G, there's no such thing as an iPod 3G. You know why? Because the iPod 3G is not coming out yet. The iPod 3G is maybe coming out on 2012, 2011, I don't know. But I think the iPod 3G is gonna get a camera. If you have, like, people told you you have iPod 3G, that's not really an iPod 3G. It's an iPod second generation 2. Second generation 2. Mine is second generation 1. Second generation 1 doesn't have like microphone. Second generation 2 has microphone. Okay? That's the difference. Okay? Now if you're gonna buy an iPod third generation, buy like next year, wait for the iPod Touch that has a camera. That's the iPod third generation. If you buy like iPod 3G, that's not really iPod 3G. It's an iPod second generation 2, because it has like, it only has like, I don't freaking care, like microphone. Okay, that's it for now. Okay, that's it for now. Okay, I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna show you my dog, my uncle's dog. Okay, I'm gonna show you my uncle's dog. Look, our dog is like mini Doberman, Pinscher, and Shih Tzu. Okay, I'm gonna show you that. City. Did you see the dog? Did you see the dog? You can see the dog. This is the dog. That's the dog. You can't see him because there's no light. Okay, I'm gonna put him up. I'll show you the dog. Here's the dog. You can actually see the dog because it's kind of dark here. Sorry, but if you want to see the dog, I'm gonna show it next time to you. Stay tuned for JC Shazam123 and other videos. See ya. Don't want to be ya. Wait, I'm gonna stay for right here now. Okay, bye.